Hi, I'm Michael Burns, architect, and I'm standing on the second floor of the historic Carnegie Library on the south end of the quad of the University of North Dakota campus. This building will be the new home for the provost and president's office and office staff. I believe that the building itself will provide new opportunities for the operation of the highest administrators within the campus, and so it'll make them much more publicly accessible. We're doing pretty much a complete gut of the building in order to accommodate all the contemporary needs of the university and all the infrastructure that needs to go into the new construction methodology to meet building codes. Early on, we were able to identify some very key elements within this building that needed to be salvaged and saved and restored. And one of those is the main stairway and the railings and banisters, newel posts, and the steps. The other item is this skylight that's above me, which will be restored, and then decorative glass will be placed in the openings. MJBA really stands above the competition because of our lengthy amount of time doing restoration work, particularly in historic or significant historic structures. What's really sweet is when the client comes up to you after it's done and they say, "It turned out just like you said it would."